So for the class, we had the classic section now, guys. I'm using a different phone or camera. I hope the quality isn't, it's not that bad. But we'll start with this one. I don't know what this is. I've never seen this before. You can check. I don't know what this is called. You learn automatic. That's the only thing I can read from this. Let's go to the other section. Let's continue with the video. I was just putting in on my gimbal so the video won't be shaky. Say much about this car because I know nothing about them. Well, this is a Ford Escort. Oh, this is a Ford also. This place is full of Fords all over. This is a Cosworth, yeah? You know this 1400. This is 1400. An R33 or R32. I don't know why this is here, but something is wrong. The colors don't match. It's an R33. And then we have a Hot Wheel in the box. Sorry. I'm gonna walk through quickly, but I thought this was the only section, and I'm still seeing. I saw more cars. There's still another section. I don't want the video to be long. It's a bunch of Ford. Okay, I don't know what this two are, yeah. Can you classify this as a classic? Oh. Well, this maybe. Or this, no. This picture is nice. Can't be a classic show without a Cobra. There must always be a Cobra. Look at this GMC. This one is clean. This one is well taken care of. C200. I guess this is the bike section. Bikes all the way down. So I thought there were more cars here, but it's just a few. What is this? GT4 is this a Porsche? Can't be a Porsche. This is the bike section. We also have some classic bikes. And then we have all the left-hand VW, left-hand drive VW. And we have an Aston Martin. An Aston Martin. And it's in a classic car section. An Aston Martin. Vantage us. We also have a 325i. There's a Subaru here. And we have this. What is this? Lincoln. What is this? Cadillac. It's a Cadillac. So in the video for the classic car section of this Cadillac,